Alright, welcome again. This is Signet Squirrels, and this time we're getting some 10 gig in the house here. So I have a Ubiquiti aggregation switch. It's an 8-port 10 gig switch that we are going to install into this mess. And also I'm going to be doing a lot of cable management, essentially, since I get to get rid of 2, 8, at least eight network cables and who knows what else. But yeah, there's going to be a lot of cleanup in here, so this will be nice and clean when it's all said and done, and finished. Hopefully, never for at least another few months touching this little room again. And here we go. So this, if you can see it well enough, is our aggregation switch that we're putting in. Unbelievably thin. I can't believe how there's no depth to this thing, but I guess it really doesn't need to be anything. So yeah, just continuing to install and cable manage, and we'll get somewhere. Okay, now normally I'd probably say everything that's being aggregated, your biggest aggregation point should be where the quote-unquote core of your network would be. But that's not really how my network's going to function, I guess. So the the principal use for anything that's 10 gigabit in here is for the house. It's local file servers, it's video streaming, it's those kind of things, and backups too. But everything else is really going to be within this switch up here, which I'm treating as kind of the core. So there are a few VLANs, routed VLANs that run on this. There's a few routed VLANs that run on the Dream Machine Pro, just depending on what kind of security levels I want to keep. So that's why it's laid out that way. And then this is just going to aggregate everything back into the main network, where the majority of my user devices would sit, I guess. So that's why it's running this way. Happy to hear that I am totally wrong, though. So we'll just connect that to there. Oops, I unhooked or unblocked the wrong port. Put that cover back on there. So we'll just do that, and then we'll do this. And we have link. So yay. So being that this fits in with all Ubiquiti stuff, it's going to be controlled by the controller that's on the Dream Machine, and it'll work as is right now. Everything's going to be showing up on all profiles, which all the VLANs exist into here. So that's what I want for right this minute. We'll change it shortly. But continue on. So this is the next improvement for this rack. So this is just a normal Era surfboard. It's a SB8200 modem, but I 3D printed a rack mount for it. So as of right now, I don't have any way of switching power to it if I need to reboot it. Haven't really had to yet, but knock on wood, that will stay that way for a little bit longer until I figure out something there. Either a panel switch block somewhere, a PDU that I could switch, or just some normal things that I can hook up to Home Assistant, outlets that I can hook up to Home Assistant just to flip power on and off. So not there yet, but someday, hopefully. Okay, not really sure where I missed clicking record, but apparently I did. So I got the aggregation switch installed. I got my DSL modem, or I'm sorry, cable modem up and running. Mount's not too bad. It's a little bent. Whatever. It is what it is. But it looks alright. I got my Supermicro storage server that's going to be my NAS server, and my first Proxmox cluster server mounted. That was a pain, but it's there. And yeah, now I'm just getting ready to start cabling things together and clean this all up. So we'll just keep going. think I'm being plagued by camera problems. So again, I don't know where this cut out, but now I have everything installed, cabled, powered up, and running. Just getting ready to put the cover back on it and go see how I did. So I'll just get you in for a closer shot, and then we'll close it out.